Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make a pattern for this accordion pouch. This is so simple, 1 to 2 hours project. Good thing about this pattern is once you learn, you can change sizes. So, let's get started. Before I draw the pattern with you, I'm going to show you a bigger picture. You're probably easier to understand that way. First of all, the bottom line is folding. This is only half of the pattern. Now, let's look at the details. First of all, this rectangle pattern. This rectangle is the inside fabric part. It's a separation part. 3 inches height and 8 inches wide rectangle. 3 and 8 rectangle. And you find center line of 8 inches, which is 4 and 4. You draw a line in center. This is very important. Now, 2 lines besides the center line. These lines are very important because these are the accordion part. How to draw the accordion lines. From center point, as you can see, take 1 inch to the right and left. 1 inch away from center point. Also, you take 3.5 inch. Go up. 3.5 height, I should say, from the center point, and take 2 inches to the left and right, and you make a mark. Then draw the line point to point, both sides. Now, top of the accordion point, you draw the straight line, and on the center line, take 1/4 inch, 0.25 inch on the center line. Now, here comes lid. First of all, you take 1 inch from the bottom and you make a mark. And I use compass to draw the quarter size of the, not even quarter size of the circle, like that. And whenever you hit the 1 inch mark, now you draw little straight line there. Okay, round first, and whenever you hit the 1 inch part, draw the little bit straight line, because I like the lid not round. I like a little bit straight, the bottom of the lid. Now, side accordion part, pretty much same as lid. 2 point right there, you draw the straight line and took 1/4 inch from that straight line. Remember that point. And now I use compass to draw the half circle. Point right in the middle and 4 inches by 4 inch, make half circle. Obviously, it's over 1/4 inch point. I don't like round, big top in between rectangle, so I would like to draw little straight line by handwriting. That 1/4 inch point, and from those 2 points, draw the little straight line like that. Now let's draw it together. First of all, 3 inches height and 8 inches wide. So I make a mark 3 inches from the bottom, like that. I pretty much draw the 3 inches and 8 inches rectangle right now. So I draw the line 3 inches height from the bottom, and now I found the 8 inches wide and make the rectangle. Then I find center 4 inches and 4 inches and make center line. This is very important. Remember? And 1 inch from the bottom. That's the lid straight line part. Write it down. 3 there, 4, 4, which is 8 inch total. Obviously, this is 3 inch, right? And that's 1. And now, accordion part. Take 1 inch both left and right from the center point. Then take 3.5 inches height on the center line from the midpoint. And now accordion line 2 inches each to left and right, and 1/4 inch top of that straight line. And now I draw the accordion line from top to down. Again, top to down. That's the where you grab the rectangle corner. Okay? And now I draw top of the side part by handwriting. Remember, I like kind of straight top there, so also the lid part, same reason. I don't like round shape, so there. Now I'm using compass to draw the 1/4 size of the circle, like that. Okay. I think I took a bit inside. I mean, 1 inch inside, so that's okay. I extend the 1 inch and I draw another straight line by handwriting. And here comes the side part. Now 4 inches by 4 inches, half circle, right? But you're not gonna use the top part, so I didn't really write. Okay? and just to make sure everything is nice and neat. And that's it.